Hi guys, yesterday they announced, government of India announced to block 59 application. Now TikTok also one of that 59 application. So today it is getting no internet connection issue, and it is showing the notice user notices. We are in the process of compiling with the government of India's directive to block 59 application, ensure the privacy and security of all our users in India remains our utmost priority. So this is a error we are getting for all the users. Is it is a proper message from all the users of TikTok. They are now blocking all the 59 application. Now the TikTok has been banned completely. Whether it can be used by any other method, still we don't have any information, and it is not working with proxy also. So if we use proxy also, we can't able to access the TikTok. So in future there may be any other chance, or TikTok has to be come back again. I'll post you the update about this 59 application in our channel. Please subscribe for the channel. You will get some tips and tricks for all the mobile applications and tricks. Thank you guys.